On November 2nd and 3rd, 2018, two more Amtrak Surfliner F59PHI locomotives moved across the country on the Southwest Chief. These two locomotives are part of a purchase by Metra in Chicago from Amtrak in California. Amtrak maintains a dedicated fleet of 15 EMD F59PHI locomotives painted to match the livery of the Surfliner cars. This fleet is slated to be supplemented and eventually replaced by a new order of 20 Siemens SC-44 Charger locomotives from 2018 to 2020. The EMD F59PHI fleet will continue to be used under Chicago Commuter Rail Agency's Metra's operation following their retirement from Amtrak. The F59PHI's, which were built by the Electro-Motive division of General Motors in 1998 and have been rehabbed within the last 5 years, have similar parts and operating characteristics to Metra's existing fleet of EMD F40s, some of which are 35 years old and are in need of an overhaul. That means that they can be integrated into the Metra system quickly and without extensive and expensive training of maintenance and operating crews. The F59s would also increase reliability, reduce pollution, and achieve fuel savings of about 10 to 25% over the older engines.
Between restricted limits Albuquerque, control point Han Main 1 at 1222-1252, is that correct?